Today's video is on the top 3 best gazebos for high winds. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Domi Wood Gazebo. Looking for a gazebo that can handle tough weather and still look amazing? Meet the upgraded Domi Cedar Wood Gazebo, built not just for beauty, but for serious durability. This isn't your average outdoor structure. With a solid cedar wood frame and a strong galvanized steel roof, it's designed to stand up to harsh winds, heavy rain, and even snow, while still turning heads in your backyard. Let's start with what makes this gazebo so strong. The frame is made from premium cedar wood, a natural material known for standing up to the elements. It resists rot, decay, and insects without needing much maintenance. That means it stays looking good and stays strong even after years of use. Cedar doesn't warp easily, and it holds up better than many other woods when exposed to moisture or changing temperatures. And with posts that are 5.5 inches wide, this isn't just a pretty structure, it's a solid one that can handle rough weather without wobbling. Now, pair that strength with a galvanized steel double roof, and you've got a powerhouse of protection. The steel roof doesn't just block UV rays and keep you cool, it's built to withstand extreme weather conditions, from blazing sun to heavy downpours and strong gusts of wind. And thanks to the smart sloped roof design, water and snow slide right off instead of piling up. That means you can enjoy your gazebo all year round without worrying about damage. Even better, this gazebo isn't just tough, it's versatile. Measuring 12 by 12 feet and standing over 10 feet high, it gives you 121 square feet of solid shade and shelter. That's plenty of space for outdoor dinners, birthday parties, small weddings, or just relaxing with friends. And with the eave height at 6 feet 8 inches, there's a comfortable room to move around without feeling boxed in. Want to make it your own? The cedar wood frame can be stained or painted to match your outdoor decor. Whether you like a rustic finish or a more modern touch, it's easy to customize. Plus, it comes with curtains and netting so you can enjoy privacy and bug protection whenever you want. Need more functions? There's even a built-in ceiling hook, perfect for hanging lights, fans, or even a small heater to keep things cozy. And since cedar is eco-friendly and biodegradable, you're making a smart, sustainable choice. So if you want a structure that's not only elegant and versatile, but also built to face tough weather with confidence, this gazebo is the smart, stylish, and sturdy choice. Smash that subscribe button like a gazebo that doesn't fly away in a windstorm. Number 2, best overall, ABCCANOPY Wood Gazebo. Tired of flimsy gazebos that can't handle bad weather? If you're looking for something that stands strong through wind, rain, and blazing sun, this outdoor wooden gazebo is built just for that. It's not just pretty to look at, it's made to last through the tough stuff Mother Nature throws your way. Let's talk about the roof first. It's made from black metal material that's not only anti-fading and waterproof, but also built tough enough to take on heavy rain and direct sun without warping or cracking. The top section is fitted with polycarbonate panels, which allow natural light to shine through, so it stays bright underneath. But here's the best part. They also block harmful UV rays, so even during scorching summers, you stay cool and protected. Now, when it comes to withstanding strong winds, this gazebo really shines. The 4 support legs are made of durable cedar wood, which is naturally sturdy and weather resistant. Cedar doesn't just look good, it holds up better than many other common materials in bad weather. To add even more strength, each corner where the roof meets the legs features triangular support braces. This clever design dramatically boosts the overall stability, helping the gazebo stay steady during wind gusts. But the real game changer? The bottom of each leg includes a metal plate with 4 pre-drilled holes, so you can securely anchor the gazebo into the ground using stakes or bolts. No more worrying about it shifting or tipping during a storm. On top of that, the legs are protected by black iron covers, which not only look sleek, but also prevent water damage and rot at the base. an area where many gazebos fail first. Worried about putting it all together? Don't be. It comes with a colorful, step-by-step instruction guide filled with pictures that clearly show you what goes where. Everything is labeled and easy to follow, so the setup process is straightforward, even if you're not a DIY pro. In short, if you want a gazebo that's more than just a backyard decoration, something that's built to handle harsh weather and high winds, that this one delivers strength, style, and peace of mind all in one sturdy package. By the way, which of these gazebos would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick. Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo. Looking to transform your backyard into a cozy, stylish retreat that can stand up to whatever the weather throws at it? This hardtop gazebo might just be the perfect fit for you. It's packed with features that make it both beautiful and super practical. No wonder it's a favorite for outdoor lovers. First off, the package includes everything you need to get started. One hardtop gazebo with curtains and nettings, plus 24 multicolor LED lights. Imagine relaxing under soft, colorful lights that set the mood for any evening, whether it's a quiet night alone or a lively get-together with friends. The curtains and nettings aren't just for looks. They create privacy and keep pesky bugs away so you can enjoy your time outside without distractions. Speaking of curtains, they're made from an upgraded yarn-dyed polyester. That's fancy talk for saying these curtains keep their color and won't fade easily. Their color fastness lasts up to 2 years, so you won't have to worry about them looking worn out after just a few sunny days. Plus, the gazebo has 2 rails that let you slide the curtains and nettings around. This way, you can adjust how open or closed you want your space. Maybe you want fresh air flowing or total shade and privacy. You're in control. When it comes to weather protection, this gazebo delivers. The dual-layer galvanized steel roof isn't just sleek, it's built tough. It can hold up to 2,500 pounds of snow, so you don't have to worry during those heavy winter storms. The inner top is lined with netting that keeps the air flowing, helping you stay cool while keeping bugs out. There are also 3 built-in hooks at the top, each able to support up to 20 pounds, making them perfect for hanging lights, planters, or fans. Rain? No problem. This canopy comes with smartly designed water gutters that collect rainwater and guide it down through the 4 corners of the structure. That means the water flows smoothly along the columns instead of pooling or leaking, keeping your roof safe and dry. The frame is just as impressive. Made from textured aluminum, it's not only strong but also stylish. The base comes pre-drilled, making it easy to anchor the whole structure securely to the ground. It's stable enough to handle wind speeds up to 40 miles per hour, which gives you extra peace of mind. As for the protection plan, it's pretty solid. 5 years for the hardtop roof, 1 year for the frame construction, and 2 years for the curtains and netting. So if you're looking for something that's both beautiful and built to last, this gazebo is worth a closer look. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research, so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.